The blueprint for flight, Enoch's journey, and our destiny. Imagine standing barefoot in the cold desert sand thousands of years ago. The world around you is heavy. Survival is a brutal daily grind of hunting, gathering, and fighting the elements. Gravity is absolute. It holds you to the dirt, dictates your limits, and eventually pulls you back into the earth when you die. But then, you look up. You see birds slicing effortlessly through the wind. You see the stars rotating in silent majesty. And deep in your chest, a quiet, irrational ache begins to form. You don't just want to watch the sky. You want to be in it. We are taught that the story of human flight began on a windy beach in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, in 1903, with wood, canvas, and a bicycle chain. But that is a misconception. The truth is, the blueprint for flight was not drawn in a modern workshop. It was written into our spiritual DNA. It began with 4 ancient mysterious words found in the book of Genesis. And Enoch was translated.
He did not die.
He did not build wings.
He was simply taken up,
Lifted, defying the ultimate gravity of mortality itself.
purely by the hand of God.
In this video, we are going to walk through the chronological journey of human elevation. From those ancient whispers of spiritual ascent to the roaring engines of the modern sky. And I promise you, by the end of this journey, you will understand why that deep, unspoken urge inside of you to rise above your current circumstances is not just a daydream. It is your destiny. The spiritual ascent. The ancient era. In the earliest days of human civilization, the sky was understood as the exclusive domain of the divine. Humans were creatures of the mud. The heavens were a ceiling we could never touch, a sacred space reserved for God himself. The crushing weight of mortality clashed with the desperate longing for divinity, for liberation from the earthy realm. The earliest humans felt trapped in a two-dimensional plane of existence, fighting limitation, fighting death. Think about the grief and exhaustion of ancient life. The ground always won.
I won't die here!
The story of Enoch being translated, lifted into the heavens without tasting death, was not just a cool story. It was a psychological lifeline and a profound theological truth. It represented the ultimate human hope, that we're not meant to stay in the dirt forever, subject to pain,
Subject to decay.
But this translation was distinct from human effort. It was the act of God taking Enoch away from the burdens of this world. A release only he could provide.
I will
Our
provide.
physical desire to fly began as a spiritual desire for transcendence. A yearning for communion with him.
Indeed.
The mythic struggle. The classical era. As humanity built empires, our imaginations grew bolder and perhaps more arrogant. We moved from hoping God would lift us to believing we could build the tools to lift ourselves. This is the era of Daedalus and Icarus, of Vimanus, of kings tying eagles to their thrones. Here blazing ambition fought the unforgiving laws of physics. We all know the heartbreak of Icarus, the wax melting, the frantic flapping, the terrifying plunge into the cold sea. But feel the emotion before the fall. Feel the ecstasy he must have felt when his feet left the earth for the first time. The pain is universal, to want something so badly.
Oh no,
To taste
I'm in
it
trouble!
briefly, then realize you cannot sustain it yet. This myth captures the danger of ambition acting separate from divine lift. It is the entrepreneur whose first business collapses, the artist whose vision outruns skill, reaching for the skies through strength alone. Separate from God's order will always end in a crash. The mechanical dream. The Renaissance to industrial era. Humanity stops relying purely on myth and starts doing the math. Leonardo da Vinci sketches wings. Madmen leap from towers with linen tied to their arms. The hot air balloon breaks the invisible ceiling. The human imagination clashes with mockery and repeated failure. Imagine the loneliness of the early aviators. Imagine Otto Lilienthal breaking his back because the wind shifted. Imagine being laughed at by family, village, and science alike. They called them lunatics, but they kept climbing. Bruised bodies, broken wood, unspoken conviction. They were fighting for the right to rise. Destiny is rarely a straight line upward. It is built on relentless, embarrassing, painful iteration. The translation realized. The modern era.
From Kitty Hawk to Apollo,
The timeline compresses within a single human lifetime
we go from gliding over sand dunes
to leaving footprints in lunar dust. Have you ever looked out the window of a commercial airliner at 30,000 feet? You are sitting in a chair, drinking coffee above the clouds. You are casually experiencing a miracle ancient kings would have traded kingdoms to witness. We normalize the miraculous. We are the generation that lives in the sky, yet mechanical flight is still only an echo, a shadow of the complete lifting God promises. We still crave something higher. The synthesis. And so what? When you look at the arc of human history, flight is not just engineering. It is the metaphor of the human condition. The story of Enoch being translated was not a footnote. It was truth. It was prophecy. We were never meant to stay down. We were built to rise. Recognize your hunger for God's elevation, that restless feeling inside you. The urge to grow, create, move, be better is not a flaw. It is destiny calling.
build your structure.
Icarus had passion.
The Wright brothers had process.
Prepare your vessel.
But remember,
The final lift comes from him. Seek perspective through his presence. When you are on the ground, life looks chaotic. From above, paths appear, exits appear, order appears. You need elevation of mind and spirit.
you were born with gravity pulling at your feet, but you were destined to fly.
If this video sparks something inside of you today, please hit that subscribe button, like the video. Share it with someone who needs this reminder. Thank you for watching. Thank you for growing with us. This is HBL Videos, reminding you to always keep looking up. I'll see you in the next one.